Hello and welcome to this short video on how to access N365 via the web. The aim of this video is to provide user guidance on how to access N365 via the web. We will now take you step by step through how to access the N365 online office portal. This facility is available to web access and desktop license users. To access this, you will need to be connected to the internet. As Internet Explorer is no longer supported, we recommend using Microsoft Edge as a web browser to access the portal. Click on your search bar and type in portal.office.com. This will take you to a sign-in page. You will need to enter your NHS Mail email address here. You will then be taken to the NHS Mail portal, where you can sign in using your NHS Mail email and password. You will be asked whether you want to stay signed in, for the purpose of confidentiality and security. If you are using a shared or borrowed device, please select No. If you are using a personal device, you can select Yes should you wish. This is the online portal homepage. On the left-hand side, you will be presented with your everyday applications such as Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Excel. On the right, you will see your recommended files that have been shared via Teams or OneDrive, along with other file options. Above the vertical taskbar on the left-hand side, there is an icon made up of 9 dots. When you click on this, you will then be able to see all of the applications that you have access to via the portal. There are the common Office applications you will be familiar with, along with others that you may not have seen before. Some apps, such as Power Automate and To Do, you may find you have no use for. We would encourage you only to use the applications that you require. There also are others, such as Project and Power BI, where you will need to purchase a license to use the full version. Should you wish to purchase any of these licenses, please raise a request through the service desk. You can use any application in the online portal as you would on your desktop, and you can also work collaboratively with others on a document at the same time. For applications that you use, the documents will automatically be saved to OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud-based storage system where you can store, access, and share your files all in one place. This is just a general overview of the online portal, and there are more in-depth video tutorials from Microsoft linked in the description below. If you need any help or guidance with accessing the portal, please contact the service desk. Thank you for watching.